It's a chilly evening. The moon is full and the light reflects down to the streets, lighting up all the alleys. The smog is thick, but the light still shines through. Beneath the sky in the park is Batman fighting masked clowns. He knocks them out while breaking the limbs of others, but there are too many of them. He's being overwhelmed. Batman is knocked down to the ground. They start kicking him and hitting him with bats and crowbars. There's a shadow covering them. They look up to see Nightwing up into action, knocking them off Batman. Nightwing punches and kicks, freeing Batman. He staggers to his feet. Nightwing helps him gain his balance back. Batman nods, and they both jump into action, beating up the rest of the masked clowns. They finish beating up the masked clowns. They turn their attention to the Joker. Robin's still beating on Joker while he laughs. Harley Quinn is jumping in joy, laughing too. "Robin! Enough!" Batman yells. Robin looks up at Batman with rage-filled eyes. Nightwing steps forward, but Batman stops him. "No, Dick. He's my problem. You get these clowns locked up. I'll handle these three." Nightwing nods and runs off. Batman runs towards Robin. Harley Quinn jumps in front of him.
Where do you think you're going, hun?
Harley swings her mallet at Batman. He ducks under the hit and uppercuts her. She falls to the ground. He walks past her. She lays on the ground pouting. Batman has his back to Harley when she stands up and jumps on his back. She pulls out a knife and stabs him. His armor is too thick for a little knife that it doesn't pierce through it. Batman grabs her by the head and flips her off of him into the ground. "Stay down, Harley." He walks past her and up to Robin and Joker. "Release him." Batman reaches for Robin, but Robin hits his hand away. Joker starts laughing harder. "Leave Boy Wonder to his anger," Joker says. Robin lifts his hand up to punch Joker again, but pauses when Batman speaks. "Robin, as a man we're flesh and blood. We can be ignored. We can be destroyed, but as a symbol, we can be incorruptible. We can be everlasting. But if you do this, you destroy that symbol. The symbol that the citizens of Gotham City looks up to. The symbol that the citizens need. Please, stand down." Batman secretly takes out a small canister from his belt and holds it behind his back. Joker begins laughing hysterically.
"Remember the trap you walked into, Robin, making it so easy for me to capture you, then tying you up in my warehouse, and lastly, stabbing you."
Robin's enraged. Joker laughs again. Robin punches Joker again. Batman quickly presses the button and the canister, grabs Robin and puts the gas under his nose. Robin inhales the gas and slowly staggers backwards. He's lightheaded. He tries to swing at Batman but then collapses. Batman catches him and sets him down on the ground. Joker's still laughing. Batman grabs Joker by the collar and lifts him up in the air. "Why? Why do you corrupt the innocent?" Batman says. Joker grins.
"I'm an agent of chaos. I don't have plans. I just do, and do, and do, until you stop me. And you want to know why, Batsy? It's because we're destined to do this forever."
Joker laughs. "We may be destined to do this forever, but I'll always stop you. And you want to know why? Because I'm Batman." Batman punches Joker, knocking him out. Harley Quinn skips over to Batman. Batman takes a fighting stance, but Harley drops her mallet. Harley laughs. Batman looks over at Nightwing. He's finishing tying up the masked clowns in a circle around a light post.
We knew you'd try to stop us, Batman. But never fear. The game's not over yet. We put a surprise somewhere in Gotham City. Somewhere where serious people just need a good laugh.
Nightwing approaches. "Take care of them. I have to find a Joker venom," Batman says. He turns and runs towards the street. He gets to his Batmobile and hops in. "Alfred, are there any city council meeting?" "The mayor's having an emergency meeting in about 10 minutes, Master Wayne," Alfred says. Batman steps on the pedal and boosts through the streets of Gotham. The city is illuminating in lights. The streets are full of people crossing the streets. They have many bags in their hands, but what else can you expect during Christmas time? Batman got to City Hall. He pulls up on the stairs and jumps out of the Batmobile. He runs up the stairs and into City Hall, sees gas coming out of the vents. He's too late to stop it. "Alfred, where's the air vent located?" Batman says. "Master Wayne, once they see the mysterious gas, they'll try to exit the building. You must lock them in so they can receive the antidote. Batman stops running and runs to each door, tying them closed. Once he finishes, he starts running back deeper into the building. The vent, Alfred, Batman says. Down the next hallway and take the stairs to the basement, Alfred replies. You can hear people trying to open the doors. Screams start echoing through the hallway. One person opens it enough to see Batman running. Batman! Batman did this! A man yells out. Then he starts laughing hysterically.